Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 90, and today I'm going to show you how we can show the fingerprint icon on the lock screen. So as you can see right now, when I try to scan the finger, I can do this, but we don't have this characteristical icon, right? So to activate this icon, you have to move for the settings, and then you have to go for the password and the security, choose the fingerprint unlock, input your currently locked method, then scroll down and find Show Fingerprint Icon when the screen is off. Tap right here, and right now when we are going to lock our device, we are able to set this icon right here, so we can easily just scan our finger. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!